Jorge Mendes want to bring 17 million euro star to Manchester United as Ronaldo replacement report. Super agent Joao Mendes intends to bring Joao Felix to Manchester United as January replacement for Cristiano Ronaldo, Deportes Cuatro report. Ronaldo's future was a big topic of speculation during the last transfer window with his desire to play Champions League football. However, a move away from Old Trafford never materialized. The 37-year-old has since been in and out of the starting lineup under manager Erik, and there are no suggestions that he could move on when the transfer window reopens in January. As per Deportes Cuatro, Mendes is planning another move this winter as he intends to bring Felix to United as Ronaldo replacement. The 22-year-old is said to be determined to leave Atletico. It is added that Mendes will also need to find a suitor for Ronaldo. Inter Miami are mentioned. Ronaldo has been suspended for certain Real League voting until following his decision to walk down the Old Trafford tunnel before the final whistle against Tottenham Hotspur. The has continued to reiterate that is an important play in the squad, but we won't be surprised if the Portuguese is allowed to leave this winter. It could be rezoned in free transfer. However, that may largely depend on the replacement being pursued. We would not want to lose Ronaldo midway through the season, in particular with the injury concerns of Anthony Martial. A similar scanner would leave that with Marcus Rashford as the only specialist striker. Felix has immense potential, but in our view, he has yet to live up to the 126 million euros free paid by Atletico in 2019. He has yet to make more than 60 goal contribution in a single season at Atletico. If the Spurs club decide to sell him, they will have to cut their losses when the transfer window reopens. Felix, who is already fully around 70 million euros by transfer market, could be available on an initial loan with a mandatory buy option for next summer. It is left to be seen whether United move for him. In our opinion, the SPN hoped Cody Gakpo would be a far better acquisition. The Dutchman has 24 goal involvement. His German compared to Felix 3, which all came during the La Liga opener.